Alright, today we're going to bring some ski racks, and this is a very simple solution for skis. Alright, so now if you have a rack on your actual car, you're going to have to set these up on the existing ones. Alright, so if you don't have it, this is not for you. This is only for those that have the existing racks. Alright, there's locks already on them. They're secure systems. Alright, and you do have to run all these screws in there, of course, to make sure you lock them. There's 4 of them in here. There's locks here. All right, you have to unlock it here and lock it. Right now it's unlocked. It's locked, so as soon as I clamp it in there, it's going to completely lock itself. But they do give you the keys. They're included. They give you instructions, and on top of that, you got to make sure you unlock it in order to set up the actual rack part of it. So we're going to do that first. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to go, but right now it's a little crooked. I'm still haven't tightened it down, but this is pretty much how it handles the bottom of it. Right, you guys see the actual boards. They're going to act like skis, and look at this part right here. After pushing it down, the button and the lock mechanism, look at this. Boards are nice and tight in there, so they're not going to fly away. You guys can see that. Everything's well secure within your car, so you're not going to be able to push the boards in or out. And this, just make sure that if you go in any kind of parking lot, make sure you clear it first before you drive through it. All right, because this gives you a little bit more bump. My recommendation is make sure you park outdoors if you're going to carry this, because some cars are made for certain clearance. All right, so boards are very secure, and to unlock it, you do need the keys to unlock it. All right, so key mechanism goes in here, unlock it, push the button, and it lets go. All right, now to take the key out, you still have to do that, but look at this, still secure. I can pull it out, but very secure because of the actual rubber in here. So very simple to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.